Hello friends and welcome on makingmoney.eu. I'm very happy that this strategy is working for everyone is using it, and so I'm just would like to make an update to give you better results if it's possible. But before to start, I just would like to remind you the basic steps to invest on binary options. First of all, just remember that strategies work well with a minimum budget. Usually when you invest, you have to follow the trend of the asset. You have always to check the indicators you decide to use for your strategy. So if you lose your investment, you have to invest again immediately, raising your first investment. So just keep in mind that when the payout is higher, the difficulty to trade is higher too. Please be patient and don't follow your millionaire dream. And of course, I'm not promising a magic. Trading is an high risk work. As you know, we are using IQ Option broker online because IQ Option is one of the best broker online in the world, because it gives you the possibility to start your account from $10. You can start to invest from $1, and you can have your demo account to test your strategy with no money. If you join IQ Option by the link I'm posting in the info box of this video or in the blog, you can have free assistance on the strategy I am developing. To update this strategy, we have to check our indicators. So just go to check the first strategy I posted, and now we are going here in the left bottom corner on indicators, and we change the Bollinger Bands period to 9, and we use the type of the moving average, EMA, and period on 100. Okay, so as usual, you have to check the economic calendar to see the trend, but you can check the trend also zooming out and looking at the moving average. So you can see that in this moment the trend is ascending, so it means that we can invest on call as soon as the candle breaks the Bollinger Bands up, the upper one or the bottom one. So just check in this moment USD NOK. Okay, so we have to wait 31 seconds, and then if the bar will break the band, we will invest on call. So just let's start from $1 to use the martingale system, because as you know, as I already explained you, for martingale system you have to raise your investment of 127% on assets that have a payout between 80% and 89%. So in this case 84%. So we should increase our investment of 127%. Again, the strategy says that following the trend, as soon as the candle breaks the upper line or the bottom line, you have to invest on call if the trend is ascending, or on put if the trend is descending. So we have just to wait, and just remember that you have to start with a minimum budget around 120 or 130 is good, just to have the possibility to use martingale system. So as you see, this is my real account, verified account, my real money. Just remember that if you join IQ Option by the link I am providing you on Facebook or here in the info box, you will get free assistance on the strategies. For example, in this case, it's better not to invest because the moving average is inside the bands and is in the same area of the candles, so this is the case that you have to avoid to invest. When the moving average is very far from the bands, you have more possibility to get your payout of your investment. I didn't invent anything because strategies are already in the air. I'm just sharing with you some good strategies that I used to use, maybe with some modify I put on them. Get ready to invest on coal. I suggest you to start from $1. Also, if I invest 2 and we invest on coal, so in the money at the first investment without raising with the martingale system with this strategy. Let's wait for another asset maybe. Okay, let's get ready on this USD CAD, ascending, coal. So again, at the first investment we got our payout in the money. Again, the strategy says that following the trend, as soon as the candle breaks the upper line or the bottom line, you have to invest on call if the trend is ascending, or on put if the trend is descending. For the moment, from makingmoney.eu, it's all, and talk soon.